Welcome to the tutorial. We're excited to show you how to use our application to create a stunning digital menu. Today, we're going to build the menu for Fresh and Funny Restaurant. Let's get started. First, go to the website and open the admin section. Once you're there, select the option to add a new restaurant. Now, let's add the restaurant details. Enter the restaurant's name, description, and a unique name that will generate your custom URL. For this example, we'll also add social network links like Instagram and TikTok. Next, type in the restaurant's address. When you reach the menu prefill section, select Empty since we're going to add dishes manually. Finally, hit the Create button. This is the menu editing page. Here you can manage everything from the menu content to colors, styles, and much more. Let's start by adding some menu categories. Add your first category: pizza, then burgers, and finally, milkshakes. As you can see, the categories are already visible in the preview on the right side. The best part? All changes are dynamically updated in real time. Let's add our first pizza. Enter the name, a short description, and the price, then save it. Next, upload an image of a delicious pizza. Look at that! The preview updates instantly with our progress. Now let's repeat the process for the rest of the dishes. It's quick and easy. I'd like the milkshakes to come first, followed by burgers. Let's reorder the categories. It's as simple as dragging and dropping. Now, within the milkshakes category, let's reorder the drinks to reflect our preferences. Perfect. Now that the menu is ready, let's move on to customization. First, replace the logo, then replace the banner at the top to match the restaurant branding. Next, select a different layout for the business details and align the text to the left. Set a nice brand color for the restaurant name. For the social network section, let's keep only Instagram and TikTok. And for now, hide the reservation button. Next, customize the navigation buttons. Set the font size, color, and border for both the active and non-active states. Finally, apply the same styles to all the buttons for consistency. Let's add style to the category names by aligning them to the left and applying the brand color. Then, in the dish section, select a different layout and apply branding colors to make the menu visually appealing. That's it! The menu is ready. Click Save Changes to ensure your work is safe. You can preview the menu anytime by clicking the Preview Menu button. Once everything looks perfect, click Publish Menu to make it live. Your menu will be available at the unique URL you created earlier. Your menu now has a QR code, which you can download and place on your restaurant tables. Customers can simply scan it with their phones to access the menu instantly. It's that easy. That's all for this tutorial. With just a few steps, you can create a professional, stylish digital menu and give your customers a modern dining experience. Start building yours today.